On Garda Síochána's counter-terror unit is investigating a bomb threat linked to ongoing fuel protests, which warned that a device would be detonated near a Garda station if authorities became heavy-handed. Robin Schiller reports that the threat was sent by email to Garda Headquarters late last week, at a time when nationwide demonstrations were escalating, with key fuel depots blockaded across several counties. The threat is now believed to have been a hoax, but is still being treated as a serious criminal offence. The Garda's Special Detective Unit and Security and Intelligence Section were alerted immediately, and inquiries are ongoing to identify the source. Security sources say the threat was intended to cause panic and will be fully investigated. The developments come as Garda Commissioner Justin Kelly confirmed that threats against officers policing the protests, both online and in person, will not be tolerated. He also raised concerns that demonstrations could have so easily been hijacked by far-right and criminal elements, after initially being driven by frustrated workers. Over the weekend, Gardaí carried out major operations to remove blockades at critical fuel infrastructure in Dublin, Cork, Galway and Limerick. An exceptional event status remains in place, with leave cancelled and extra personnel deployed nationwide until at least Tuesday evening. Commissioner Kelly has praised frontline members for maintaining essential services, including emergency response and fuel supply, during what he described as highly challenging conditions.